Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this, and this is the Lamborghini Huracan Performante by Tomica. And one sweet thing about this is the livery for this car is exclusively designed by Lamborghini for Tomica for its 50th anniversary. So let's just unbox and see how it is. And before that, I will just show you this, guys. So if you want, you can just pause the video and read this one. So it just says, this livery was designed by Lamborghini for Tomica. Okay, let's just unbox. Before that, let me just show you this box around. Here is the Lamborghini logo. So I was waiting so long to get it delivered to me. So finally I got it. Okay, now let's unbox this one. Okay, if you're wondering if there is anything inside the box, there's nothing here. Okay, let's put this aside and okay, here is the car itself. Wow, this looks really amazing. Let's have a closer look. So this livery is inspired by the hexagons which you basically see in every Lamborghini. So the headlights are just painted, and same goes for taillights as well. But the sweet thing is you can see this engine detailing here. This looks really nice. It says 50 on the side, and let me see if this has any suspension. So few Tomicas which I have, yeah, it does have suspension. Wow, this is really amazing. And the entire body is actually made of metal. Even the spoilers are made of metal, it's not plastic. The rims actually, are from other Tomicas. They use the same rims over and over again. Expect for a few, variations. Say for example, like if they're releasing any premium edition, it doesn't have the same wheels. It has something, exclusive to that particular car. But this one doesn't have like that. But it still looks pretty neat. It has some great detailing to it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support my channel. So that would help me put out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.